let's jump back up here to the top of the release notes and start taking a look at some of these features, which are focused more around the admin area and configuration settings. So the next one here on the list is related to the campaigns feature. And it's a fairly straightforward one. Some time ago, I believe, I can't recall if it was last year or the year before, but we added the option for campaign sites to list more than one product. Initially, when the campaigns feature launched, it was limited to a single product. So we do now have support for campaign sites to list more than one product. The way those have been listed since we added that additional functionality is to just display the thumbnail of the product and have the end customer switch between the available products by clicking the thumbnail of each of the items that's been listed on the campaign. We did get feedback that what was also missing was the ability to show the product name. So not just the thumbnail of the product, but the actual product name. And so we've added that as an option now when you're configuring your campaign. I don't have any campaigns here on this account. Let me see if I can get a different account opened up here so you can see this feature. Okay, so once I'm in the campaign settings screen, down here at the bottom is where you'll find the new option for show product names. And setting that to yes just displays the name of each product right below that thumbnail that we display. So it's just some additional information that you can add for your customer. While we're here on this screen, this is a change that I don't think made it onto the release notes, but it is also new in 8.507. And that's the description field for campaigns is now a rich text editor. Before this was just a plain text field, which didn't allow you to, for example, bold text or make text larger. And so we've now switched this to the rich text editor that you see, for example, in the drag and drop website page editor, if you drop in a text widget. And so it's really easy now to give that campaign description some style, whether that's bold, italicize, underline, or even changing the color of the text. So that should come in pretty handy for the campaign sites.